Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to FBUS. In here you will see mostly unboxing of online products, learn different kinds of geeks, tricks, and tips in line with electronics, gaming, and other cool related ideas. Today we're gonna checking this item. Maliit lang ito, so quick preview lang tayo guys. Ito isang USB cable. Malamang yung nag-search nito, okay po, is may planong bumili ng mga ganitong item. So check it guys. Yan guys. Kung hihilain natin to, pwedeng ganun, pero dapat sabay siyang hilahin para yan, may nakalagay naman dyan na bawal yan. So kung gaano kataas, yan siya guys, about 1 meter yung length. And then kung gusto nyong ibalik, just there, yan, yan. Kung anong length gusto nyo, yan, ganyan lang. Ayun, maririnig nyo yung tick like that. Wala pang tick dito, yan, wala pa. Then pakinggan nyo guys, yun, pwede na natin yan malak, there. So just pull it both side para magbalik, yan. Yan siya guys. It's like a normal cable. And then singit na lang natin yung isang cable nito. Yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung umiilaw ito. So I'm gonna try. And then ito yung charger ng Samsung ko. Yan. Then saksak natin. There, umilaw siya guys. Yan. And see, yan, then both side umiilaw. And then let's try to charge this. Ayun, so nag-iiba yung ilaw niya guys. Patayin natin to. There, yan. Every now and then nag-change yung color. Sa mga gustong bumili nito, ito na yung item na to. And then let's see if it is charging. There, charging guys. Sensyahan nyo na yung biyak na kasi yan. So hintayin nyo na lang guys kung anong yung mga kulay nito habang nagcha-charge. There, every now and then nagcha-change siya guys. Yung kabila iba rin. So tanggalin natin to guys kung gaano siya kaganda. Yan, there it is guys. Yan, maganda to siya guys for Christmas. May USB cable na kayo, may Christmas light pa. There guys, wag kayong mainip. So yan, hindi ko lang alam kung time based yung pag-change nyan or depende sa supply or load. Yan guys, parang bumalik na yata itong kulay na to. Tingnan nyo lang. And then kung tatanggalin ko to, walang ilaw, pero kung dito meron yung source lang talaga. So yan guys, kung hindi siya naka-attach, nag-change din yung kulay. Yan. There. So that's all for now guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully na nakita niyo yung ganda ng item na to. And sa mga nakagustuhan yung pag-preview, don't forget to comment it below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Support me guys. Kayo lang yung pag-asa ko. So thank you and have a nice day.